January 22nd, 2021 challenge question. All right, so there are 180 cars in a parking lot. The colors of the cars are represented in the circle graph. So down here, there's blue cars, which are 30%. Green and black cars are going to be 25%. And red cars are going to be 45%. All right, so our question, the first one says, how many blue cars are there? And then how many red cars are there? So first of all, how many blue cars? Well, it says there's 30% blue cars. So that's going to be 30% of the 180 that are total there. So you have 180 total. The next part, the red, is 45% of how many total are there? 180. So we're just going to find these percents. That's it. So first one, 30% is 30 out of 100. And we don't know what number that is, but we do know the total cars are 180. So now we can solve it. So 180 times 30 is going to be 180 times 30 is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 times 3, or 3 times 8 is going to be 24. 16, 17, 19, 20, yes, 24. And then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, 4, 5. So 5,400. So 5400. And then 100 times x is going to be 100x. All right, now we are going to divide both sides by 100. So we are left with x on this side equals, well, we can cancel out some zeros. So 54 divided by 1 is 54. So there are 54 blue cars. All right, let's take a look at the next one. That red part, the red cars. Let's figure out how many red cars there are. We're going to do that same thing. So it says 45%. So we know 45% is 45 over 100 of 180 total. So that's that total. We don't know how many cars there are, though. So now let's multiply. 100 times x is 100x. 180 times 45. 180 times 45. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 8 is going to be 40. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Done with that 4, done with that 5, drop a 0 for a placeholder, 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 8 is going to be 32. Carry that 3, drop that 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. So 0, 0, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8. So 8,100. So now we need to divide both sides by 100 because we want to get rid of that 100 there. So we can get rid of some zeros here. We have x equals 81 divided by 1 is just 81. So there are 81 red cars. And that is going to be it. I know that was a challenge and I know that was kind of fast, but do not stress if you don't get it. It's okay. It's just a challenge. I wanted you to try. But awesome job. Woohoo!